Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial on how to create a beautiful 3-strand braid followed by a more intricate 5-strand braid. Let's begin with the basic 3-strand braid. The pattern we follow is quite simple. Take 3 equal sections of hair, start by crossing the right strand over the middle strand, then cross the left strand over the new middle strand. Repeat this process. This classic braid is perfect for everyday looks and is a great base for more advanced styles. Now, let's move on to the 5-strand braid. We begin by dividing the hair into 5 equal sections. You can either start braiding right away with all 5 sections, but in this tutorial, I'll begin with a simple 3-strand braid and gradually add the 2 extra strands to turn it into a 5-strand braid. Start by crossing the outermost right strand over the strand next to it, then under the middle strand. Next, take the outermost left strand, cross it over the strand beside it, then under the new middle strand. Continue this over-under weaving pattern from both sides, keeping the strands tight and smooth as you go. This braid looks more complex and gives a wider, more textured finish, perfect for special occasions. I hope you all have understood this technique clearly. It takes a little practice. Braiding gets easier with time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.